Welcome to Seagull Studio Vacation Suite. Hi, it's Linda, and I just wanted to give you a little video tour of what the suite looks like, just in case, because nobody likes surprises when they end up at their destination if it's their first time. It's happened to me, and I wasn't happy. So I just wanted to make you feel comfortable before you arrive so we don't have any issues. So when we come to the top of the stairs, we have a bookcase here with all kinds of reading material and all kinds of information on Sooke and trails and things to do in the community and hiking to get you started. So that's and you can take those with you. Then just at the top of the stairs, we also have a closet, and it's like a butler's pantry. You know, we have our microwave in here, popcorn maker, blender, crock pot. There's a picnic basket that you're welcome to use while you're here and when you go out and about to a beach. And we have containers there, the Rubbermaid ones that you're totally welcome to use, along with blankets when you're outside around the fire. And we have robes, and here's our recycling center. So something to keep in mind when you're out and about. When we head back to the kitchen area, the table sits four, and we have the two other chairs in the bedroom. And as you can see, the kitchen is a great area to prepare a wonderful meal. It's a fully stocked kitchen. You don't need anything. We have a coffee station here with a Keurig with all kinds of coffee provided and teas. So you can start your morning off with coffee, tea, cocoa, whatever rocks your boat. And we have a large fridge and also a large freezer. So if you want to bring some food items and keep them here for a while, this is a good place to do that. Here we have the living area, and in the living area, this faces east, so the sun just pours in here first thing in the morning. So if you're not a morning person, you might want to draw the blinds. We have our gas fireplace, and it is flanked by our super comfy chairs. And this is where you can watch TV, listen to music. There's music on the TV as well. And then just behind the living area, we have our day bed. And this is perfect for that extra person, or if you just want to lounge during the day. It's been used for many third persons, and we have all the linens for that, along with duvet cover, pillows, and towels. So sometimes having that other person makes it more fun. This is our desk area, and so you can set up your tech here. We have charging areas down below, and you can put all your tech there, as you can see. So you're fully charged before you start out on your day. In the washroom, we have a wonderful rainhead shower, which is just like a spa, which people really enjoy. There's also a wand option if you prefer, and complimentary soaps and shampoos. Then on the other side, we have the window, of course, faces east, so it's very bright in here. And the large cupboard is perfect for housing all kinds of your toiletries. It does come fully stocked. And we have blankets, duvet cover, and linens in the space as well. And then the linen closet, this is where we have all our linens. When I head into the bedroom, I've got a large mirror here, and we've got two side tables, each with drawers, coasters, notepads, and their own lamps. And we also have another charging station in the bedroom here just below the mirror, so you can charge if you like to charge your tech at night. The bedroom faces west, so it's beautiful in the evening. And then we have an armoire where you can hang your coats. You can put all the linens when you go to bed. extra pillows in there as well. It also houses blankets. So this is Seagull Studio, and we look forward to having you drop by and spend some time with us. Take care. Ciao.